Well, howdy ho, my peeps, and welcome to another Dollar Tree recipe. Okay, yesterday we did the peach cobbler using the jumbo biscuit mix and some sliced peaches, canned peaches, and so forth. Today we're going to do another little biscuit cup recipe, but it's going to be a savory recipe. It's going to be it's not going to be sweet. It's going to do with chicken today. So we've got a chicken a la king and a chicken and dumplings, both from the Dollar Tree. I could have used the same, but I thought, well, I'm going to try one of each and mix them together. This is going to be our filling. I also got some of the chicken breast strips. This is going to go into the muffin cup as well. And I picked up some of the Silver State brand white cheddar cheese with Mediterranean herbs. All I've been seeing is the pepper jack. This just came into our Dollar Tree recently. So I've seen other people haul this and they really like it. So this is going to be our topping. So those are the ingredients. I might add some extra spices to as we get going. So here we go. All right, and we're back. I did some prep up. I've got my oven on, preheating on 350. I took the chicken a la king and the chicken and dumplings, mixed them up together in this bowl. I don't think it matters which of the two you use or if you use one of each. I think it's going to be about the same. I took my chicken breast strips from the Dollar Tree, and I cut them in half with my handy dandy scissors of death. And so they've all been cut in half crosswise, and they're waiting to go. Now this cheese that you see here, the Silver State brand white cheddar, and I'm sure the other one's the same way. This cheese is it's almost a soft cheese. It's not a hard cheese. It's not going to grate nicely. So I just cut it into strips so that I can easily place, you know, a few pieces on each of the little savory chicken cups, I think we're going to call them, and when I put them in the oven. So I'm just going to, that's how I've prepped this up. I've also got my jumbo biscuit tin open and ready to go, and what we're going to be doing, just like we did with the little mini oh, you know, you guys were with me, peach cobblers. We're going to go ahead and break the biscuit in. We're going to split it into two halves. You could split it, just roll it up if you wanted to, and split it. I split it like this because it's already kind of flattened out. And then, put that one there. Then we're going to just flatten it out a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, perfect's not even a good idea. Then I'm going to take the muffin tin, which I've already pre-sprayed with some of my coconut oil that I get from the Dollar Tree. And you just kind of lay that in there like that. Just sort of push the sides up a little bit. And as uneven as that's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and do that with the rest of these biscuits. There were 5 biscuits that came in this container, so we're going to end up having 10 of the little chicken savory cups. Alrighty, so I've got my muffin tins full. As you can see, you can just kind of push it down in there. Don't have to go overboard. Now, in order to put them together, we take our bowl here, and we're going to put essentially 1 tablespoon or so down in the bottom of each cup, like so. I try to get a little bit of the chicken chunk or a little bit of the, what are those things called? The dumpling, whatever. Try to get some of that in there too, as well as just the, the liquidy part itself. So I'm going to go ahead and get these full, halfway full. That's about halfway full. I've used about half of the stuff. Okay, now what you do is you take your chicken strips that you've just cut up and you simply put one down in the center of each cup, like so. Get them all, oops, that one didn't get cut up. Oops. Get them all placed down in there. And this one I've already done, so that one's completed. Now I'll complete the others. All right, now all you do is you cover them up with another spoonful of the chicken a la king and chicken and dumplings mix. Get them covered up like that. Have a little bit of extra chicken there, but I can make something for my boys. I'll do something with that little extra bit of chicken. Okay, so there we go. They're all covered. Now, all you need to do is take some of, here is a strip of that cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and pull it apart, put it on top of the mix that's already in the muffin tin. So I'm going to go ahead and top them like that, like you can see. I'm just using about one strip per muffin tin. I'm going to go ahead and finish topping all of this. I'm going to put it in the oven, and then we will come back and I will show it to you when it's finished. Okay, so here is what the finished product looks like. You can pick them up with your fingers. I put a fork on here for Grant just in case he wants to use a fork instead of his fingers. Here you go, honey. These are called Savory chicken cups.
Looks wonderful.
See what you think of those.
Looks like a chicken pot pie.
It does look like a chicken pot pie. Nick says that that's what it reminded him of too.
Reminds me very much of a chicken pot pie.
Good. So
I love chicken pot pie.
They're just little mini chicken pot pies. And you'll notice that there's a large chunk of breaded chicken in the center.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that?
Mm-hmm. Already ate some.
Oh, okay, good. So, what's your verdict, Mr.
Very
Grant?
good.
Very good. Okay, yay. All right, we'll see you guys next time.